going to jail now.
That's fine.
Nope.
For what?
Driving under the influence of alcohol.
Okay, great. Let's go.
Nope. Hey, you're not going to turn around on her like that.
I'm not doing nothing.
Stop resisting. Put your arms up.
I ain't resisting a mother.
Resisting.
Y'all are f***ing lost.
Hey, Deputy Rasher on Nassau County Sheriff's Office. Is everything okay?
Everything's fine.
We're good. We're going to my daughter's cemetery.
Okay.
Nassau County, Florida. A deputy pulls over a vehicle near 107th and Hendricks. The driver says she's on her way to her daughter's grave. The deputy smells something different. Florida law requires 3 things for a DUI: impaired ability, a BAC above the limit, or both. No breathalyzer needed to establish probable cause. Under Florida Statute 316.193. Observation alone, odor, slurring, erratic driving is sufficient to detain.
So, a couple things, right? The car in front of you right there at 107 and Hendricks, you kind of floored it. Is there a reason behind that?
Her foot got stuck, her flip-flop got stuck on the damn gas pedal.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're going to the cemetery. You can follow
No,
us
you're
there.
okay. I'm just making sure.
I just lost my daughter.
I'm sorry.
I'm really not
That's
doing
been
good.
sad.
And then when I was following you back here, you're riding the dotted line, and then you come over to the solid white line, you come back.
I was trying to get a flip-flop stuck in that.
I know.
Okay.
I have the
We ain't doing nothing wrong. I'm just my
fucking
daughter
shoes on for this.
not doing so good. Really not.
Okay. Do you
You
have your
want-
driver's license on you?
I don't.
Okay. Do you? You don't have a driver's license on you?
I got my ID.
Okay.
You want to see that?
Why are you driving a vehicle with no driver's license?
Because I asked her to drive me down there and no way to get there. I don't have a car.
Okay.
I ain't seen her about her since she's been dead.
Do you think that's safe?
Well, no, I didn't think it was safe, but I want to see my daughter really bad.
I understand.
That's the whole thing.
I will show you my ID. Let me take my ID out here. I'm going to show it to you. I want you to know that I got one. I'm just stressed out, that's all.
Echo 1, Echo 5.
All right.
There you go.
Do you have registration insurance for the vehicle?
Echo 5, Charlie.
This is not my vehicle.
I'm just asking in general.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I have them.
Echo 1, Charlie.
She
Echo
got
5, Charlie.
everything. She
I
got
got
everything.
everywhere, everything.
She's got everything that she needs, really. And I asked her to take me.
5, Charlie, Echo 3, Charlie, 77, you meet me at
10-4, possible signal 1 investigation.
I'm also Jim Carey's sister.
Jim Carey.
Yeah, Brian, 51, what's your
One
story?
of them, but I do.
Okay.
It may not
Aubrey and
matter,
Fletcher.
but I also know
Go check that out.
James.
We're doing fine. I wanted to go to the cemetery really bad.
yeah, we
Could
were
take
headed
me.
down there to take some stuff and leave her from
Come on,
the
Echo 126.
baby's
Wilder
house.
Cemetery,
Gotcha.
you know us. I'm the Wilder, but I ain't one of the bad ones. I'm one of the good ones.
Okay.
That's
All right, so this is what I'm going to have you do, okay? I'm going to have you go and put your hands up on the steering wheel, the driver,
Mhm.
and then I'm going to come around to the driver's side, okay? All right. I'm going to have you go and step out for me, okay?
Okay, I have the seatbelt on.
Go and take it off.
Can you drive Jim Carey for me and allow him at least?
Drive who?
Jim Carey.
Who's Jim Carey?
A friend of mine. He's actually my brother-in-law, but he's
Go to
a
the front of my
Fernandina
truck.
cop.
Go to the front of my truck for me.
Fernandina cop.
I asked her to carry me.
Go ahead and step out for me. Go to the front of my truck. Can you not lean on that for me? Stand away from it. Yeah. No, you're good. You can relax.
I know, we feel like we're under arrest.
No.
Well, damn.
So in the state,
I don't feel right at all.
so in the state of Florida, you should not be operating a motor vehicle without a driver's license, right?
Right.
So that's why I had you get removed from the driver's seat, because technically you're not supposed to be driving.
Okay.
Okay.
But I asked her to carry me. She didn't.
That's what. Hey, what you did is what you did, but at the end of the day, Florida State statute says you cannot be operating a motor vehicle without being in possession of a driver's
She
license.
won't do it again, but I
Right?
ain't been
What's
down
your
there
last
so
name?
long.
What's your first name?
Yours.
James.
No, my name, your name ain't my name ain't Jeremy.
Me, Leanne. I'm sorry.
All right, spell your first name.
L-E-A, capital A-N-N.
Middle initial.
Rice Schneider. Is that how you pronounce it?
What's your middle initial?
A.
A.
Yeah. Look how many I up.
Hey, What's your birthday?
Just hush up.
2774. Where is Kevin Street from Draga from Florida? That's the one I know. Come on. There's a bunch.
Come down.
Continue, sir.
I'm a female.
Female, whatever you are, continue.
So I've got odor of alcohol coming from your breath.
Okay, great.
Have you been drinking today?
No.
Okay, so we have some other deputies here. Would
They'll
you be...
say you did. They will agree with you. I'm proud of that. Hey guys.
Okay.
What's your name?
Leanne.
What did you just say?
I said that I just took her to the Seniority to see her mother. Her father that just died.
Okay.
Mother, I'm sorry.
You just said that we're going to see her
that's what we were
deceased
doing.
daughter. Now you just...
Yes.
Okay.
That's what we've been doing.
Okay.
Honestly.
Okay, so these guys are going to do field sobriety exercises on you.
Great.
Okay? Because I have probable cause to believe that you're under the influence of alcohol. You've got an odor, you're slurring
Wonderful. So,
Listen, calm down. Listen to what she's got to say.
I am.
I got to calm down.
I am.
Calm down.
Do you agree to do field sobriety exercises?
You gotta do whatever you want to do.
No, I'm asking you a question. It's a
You
yes or
can
no.
do whatever you want to do.
Hey.
It's a yes or no question.
Yes.
Okay.
Odor of alcohol. Slurred speech. Lane weaving documented before the stop. That is not a hunch. That is a checklist. She deployed the grief card fast. And it was real. But probable cause doesn't come with a bereavement exception. The passenger's account contradicted hers. She said they were visiting a deceased daughter moments earlier. The driver said the same deceased person was the driver's mother. The contradiction was noted. Officers didn't need to prove the lie, they just needed to observe it. She agreed to the field sobriety test. Under Florida law, refusal to submit is admissible as evidence. Consent, however, creates an opportunity and an obligation to perform. Most people stop talking at this point. She escalated instead. She told the officer he could take her to jail. He was about to take her at her word. Under Miranda, Arizona, 384 ISAP, Sibai Itenjo. Every voluntary statement made after a lawful detention is admissible. She had the right to remain silent. She did not invoke it. Every sentence she added made the case easier, not harder. When she refused to move to the patrol vehicle, the dynamic shifted. Refusal to comply with a lawful order during a detention is the line between a traffic stop and a use of force situation. She came in on a misdemeanor. She was about to leave on a felony, not because of what the officer did, because of what she chose to do next.
So, yes.
You can do whatever you'd like to do.
Go with Deputy Cook.
H2827 Charlie.
Everybody descend upon the vehicle.
Come on, Leanne. Come here.
That's the way it votes.
Tahoe right there, you're going to come talk to me in front of that, all right?
That's not mine. No.
Then I said that. Do you
No.
see that, Tahoe?
No.
Okay.
I'm not talking to you anywhere.
You're not doing what?
I'm not talking to you
Okay,
anywhere.
all right. So then you can talk to me right here, okay?
I'll talk to you right here
All right, cool.
and with him.
All right, listen. Hey, listen.
Yep.
Hey,
I can't feel.
Hey.
How do I supposed to know?
Hey, listen.
Please
Okay, that's fine.
Please calm down.
I'm trying.
Well, just calm down.
Do you have an ID on you? No driver's license at all.
But I got an ID, but I ain't got a driver's license.
Okay.
No, you can take me to jail right now. You can and legally take me to jail.
Hey, step back from him. Step
Hey,
back.
hey.
Step back.
You.
Step
Hey,
back.
stop it.
He can take me wherever he would like.
Well, you're going to jail now.
That's fine.
Nope. You're
For
going to jail.
what?
Driving under the influence of alcohol.
Okay, great. Let's go. Let's do it.
Nope. Hey, you're not going to turn around on her like that.
I'm not doing nothing.
Stop resisting. Put your arms
I ain't resisting a mother.
Stop resisting.
You are locked. You are motherfuckers and you ain't fucking locked.
Let's go.
Yep. Hey, Jekyll and Charlie. Shaco 5, Whiskey Fox 55.
You know it. You know it, Dan. Yeah, I did not truck shit from you. Neither you. You're up. You're up.
You want to get my face again?
Up.
Get in the truck.
You're up. You're up. You're all
88.
You're percentage and you're up.
Yep, there's 88 on Leo.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, man, You're hurting me.
Well, get in the car.
Go away and leave me alone. Go away. Leave me alone.
What's that? Do you need legs? HQ Echo 1 Charlie, show 88 on Leo.
This shit, man. This shit. No. You. 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 Bitch. You. I hope your mama's real proud of what you do. You bitch. You.
Hey,
Leave me alone. Leave me the alone.
Ma'am, stop kicking the thing or we're not. Alright.
You can't even kicking me.
Where'd you put the other flip flop?
I don't know where it went.
You slip those cuffs, it's gonna be a bad day for you.
I just want.
No, you're not coming out.
I just want.
You're going to jail.
Down.
You're going to jail.
You. I don't care.
Listen, with that, calm down.
You're not coming out.
I just want.
You're going to jail.
Down.
You're going to jail.
You. I don't care. You mother. Man, motherfucker, you just wait. You wait until I get out of these tournaments, fucking fuckers.
Tell him to hold off on
Fuck you, bitch! Get the out!
Under Florida Statute 843.01, resisting an officer with violence during a lawful arrest is a third-degree felony up to 5 years. The underlying charge becomes secondary. The officer had heard enough. The handcuffs went on. She resisted. That added the felony count in real time. On camera, she wanted to go to the cemetery. She went to jail instead. The case was filed the same night. Leanne was charged with resisting an officer with violence, a third-degree felony, and battery on a law enforcement officer. She appeared in court the following day. A no-contact order was issued. She entered a plea of not guilty. Multiple motions were filed. The case is open at the time of this analysis. Deputy Rachel gets an A. She built probable cause through observation before making contact. When the subject escalated, she escalated proportionally. Under Graham, Connor, patru sute nozic u, as, sem by bashalo, iten jo by bashajo. Officer conduct is evaluated on the facts known at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Every call here holds up. Leanne gets a D. The grief was real. The sympathy was deployed early. Neither is a defense to DUI, and neither is a defense to resisting arrest with violence. Under Florida Statute 843.01, she arrived facing a misdemeanor and left facing a felony. She made that choice herself in handcuffs. On camera. 3 lessons. 1. Emotional context does not override probable cause. It matters at sentencing. It does not affect whether the officer has grounds to act. 2. FST consent is voluntary, but refusal is admissible. Cooperation limits the damage. Resistance compounds it. 3. The place to challenge a disputed arrest is in court, not on the roadside. Resistance is a separate charge. It does not cancel the original one. If you want more body cam footage, the moments that play out exactly like this, hit subscribe. Drop a comment. Does the grief change how you see the outcome? We'll see you in the next one.